Why would I ever want to start a meat jerky business? It's not going to be profitable. Well, as a matter of fact, it can be. And I'm going to tell you, step one, choose the right strategy. This is critical. With $2,000, you do not build a full production business. You start as a brand using small processor or a local licensed facility. You want to avoid the following: building your own facility, which would cost tens of thousands, if not more, and buying expensive equipment. Now, you are selling the product, not becoming a meat plant. Keep that in mind, because when I go through the next steps, you'll understand why I say this. Step two is you want to pick one particular niche to start. Keep it simple and focused. Now, some examples would be like venison jerky. This is considered a premium outdoor niche type of meat jerky. You can go to elk jerky, which is a high-end protein snack, or bison jerky, which is more health-focused because of its leaner, less fat content. You want to pair it with an angle like high protein, maybe no sugar, small batch, rugged outdoor lifestyle. These are marketing tools that you'll be able to use as an angle to sell your product. Clarity sells better than variety when you start. Now, step three, forming the business. You want to keep it cheap.